your family?
My family is good. Do you have a brother or sister?
Yes, I have one elder brother and one younger brother. I have no sister. What are you doing, your brother?
My brother is pursuing his graduation.
Okay.
Do you like reading books?
No, not yet. I don't like reading books. What's your birthday?
My birthday is 22nd November 2002. And your birthday?
My birthday is 18th October 1999. What's your goal?
My goal is achieve government job.
Okay.
What's your goal?
My goal is become a professor in a subject economics. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is sociology. And your favorite subject?
Economics. My favorite subject is economics.
Do you like festivals?
Yes, I like festivals.
Which festival do you most like?
I like the most festival Ganesh Chaturthi and Navratri. Do you like festivals?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you like traveling?
No, I don't like traveling. Do you like uh, listen to music?
Yes, I like listening to
Which
music.
type do you like? Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you so much.